Gonna put on a new bumper. Gotta paint it. Where we going? Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A, yes.
Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me.
Things I don't understand. You wanna be an oil farmer so bad.
Oh, dude, I've been an oil farmer at work. It's not even funny.
Primer required. High-speed police chase, man. Oh, he catching up. Yeah, get his ass. Get his ass. Arrest this man.
Ah, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. Hell yeah.
Here we go. Front bumper out. As you can see, clear coat, sandpaper, primer, and then under here, got the black paint. You first start sanding it, and then yeah, I'm gonna show you up right. Okay. You can see, sanded it. In a second, about to clean the surface again, and then we gotta put the primer magic. Shit, cleaned it. Next up, gotta put the primer on. Gonna paint that.
Dude, Cardi edits are so tough.
Oh no. Also on this, I ain't gonna lie, this junk is so ass. This junk is so trash. Look at all these little spots and blotches. I'm gonna just sand it off, make it smooth, but like, jeez, this junk is cooked. Second coat primer done. Still splotchy, but again, about to sand it. Then next, real paint. Let's go. Okay, this is the first coat of the black. It's looking pretty nice right now. I'm gonna do one more coat, and then we're going high gloss with the clear coat. As you can see, oh my gosh, look at the shine on that. That don't look too good. It's gonna go on baby over there. Hello, your boy done did a good job. I can't care. Shout out to my cousin for helping me a little bit. But ooh, and then there's this little spot, but I don't really care. You're really not gonna see that for real. Watching Scream University. But look, this is pretty much the finished product. Like, I think that's pretty decent. This right now, I want it to be one more notch over, and then it'll be like that. Really it for today. Go ahead, just hit the like button and then click off, bro. Matter of fact, hit the sub before you click off, and then thank you, appreciate it. Okay, we'll get everybody about to assemble this whole thing. We got the little pieces and junk. I think I gotta break these things off so I can put this part of the grill on there. Try to finagle this and do it the best I can. This doesn't fall over. Like that, we got the top part of the grill on there. Let me get back to you on. You guys just gotta put the bottom part and then we Gucci. So make sure when you putting these in, all these click. You gotta make sure they click, or if not, they gonna just slip out. Fog lights. Put in both sides. Yeah, I'm an idiot. When I was laying this down to put the fog light covers on it, I realized I should have put something like under it, and now I got scratches. Oh my gosh, I got scratches. Slick, I don't care that much, but I might just sand over it. And this is what we got right now. Get apart both fog lights. Boom, boom. Now I just need the lower grill. I'm gonna ride the wave. To the lower grill, you gotta put the support, the fascia support first. This little baggie that comes with this little junk, these 4 little screws, go at the bottom. Fascia, you got one, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so much time done passed, bruh. This was getting annoying, and I swear some of these bolts just are too small, and so I was just like, bruh. I ended up just using some clips for the top part right here. Then after that, on the ends, I would put in like the bolts. I still need to put this one in, but basically the finished product, this is what it looks like. Again, I'm gonna sand this so I could repaint this part. But this is what it looks like, man. Top to bottom, like. I need to break these off too. But other than that, we done set. set it off. Everything is set. Now I just gotta put this on. So baby had me over there. It'll be a whole new facelift. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I'm talking about thank y'all for watching. Y'all about to see the next part right now, bro. What am I talking about? Today's the day. It's super hot outside. What the heck was that? It's super hot outside. But as you can see, this is what we got painted. I want to put another clear coat. But dang, I can't talk. Another clear coat. Yeah, when I put this in the garage, it fell forward onto the garage door, like after I had left it, and so it scuffed up. Dang, these flies scuffed up there and there. A little disappointed by that, but other than that, the rest is straight. Just finished putting the clear coat on. So you can see that's like a mirror finish right there. That's beautiful. So we're gonna hide that and put her right on here. Granted, look, even if it's not like the greatest like paint finish, look, I tried. Look, I'm not a professional. This is DIY.